night. We just got up north and I wanted to get a video of this. I've never seen it this windy. Hopefully we can see it. You can hear the wind. This is what's going on. And I ran in to get everything unpacked so I could look. This is like, in 42 years of coming up here, I've never seen it this windy. It's gotta be 45 miles an hour. Huge waves. Everything looks, I don't see any boats off the lift. Oh, there's one that is off the lift, looks like. Oh, that's, can't remember, the Olsons. Whoa. Hopefully it's secure. Coming up here. It was. Well, we gotta go in. I just got splashed. Whoa, you can see the water, the waves are breaking through the dock. Not hurting it, but anyway, I just wanted to record that. Now we're going to go back in the cabin. Hopefully warm. Whew. That is a crazy day. There's Nicholas and Mom and Charlie and Lucy. Whoops. Oh. Yes. I bet my hair looks crazy. Anyway. Pretty cool. Hopefully it's not going to get any more. Well, you can see it. I wonder if you can see out the window. We got the heat cranked on because it was kind of cold when we got up here. There it is from indoors. Pretty crazy. I want to show you the difference that 36 hours can make. This is the lake on Sunday morning. Probably gonna be pretty bright. You can see how calm it is. See how calm compared to the other day? Or the other night? That's Nicholas wailing down there. There's a hammock that was blowing parallel to the ground before. There's Charlie, waiting patiently. There's a shovel that blew up during the storm, or the wind. It wasn't really a storm. There's Charlie. Look how calm the lake is. It's like glass. It's about 8 in the morning. Here comes a duck making a lot of noise. There's a duck, a bunch of them. Hi, Lucy. Luce. How are you? Pretty morning, isn't it? Good girl. There's Charlie exploring, looking around. Lucy's sitting on my lap. Hi, Charles.